Hi, my name is Michelle, and I started my journey with Dr. Timek when I was diagnosed with breast cancer and chose to have a double mastectomy. My surgeon recommended her for the reconstruction, and I'm so happy that she did. Dr. Timek told me that they would look better when she was done than they did before we started with this process, and she did keep that promise. They look amazing, and not only did she take care of my physical needs, but she took care of my emotional needs. Breast cancer and mastectomies and reconstruction are all very emotional, and she met my tears with compassion and kindness and recommended Gilda's Club for me, and I've been going to support group there. And so I really appreciate that a doctor was looking out for more than my physical needs. She was looking out for my emotional well-being too. I would recommend Dr. Timek and her entire staff for any needs that you have. Thank you.